Hi guys, hello everyone! My name is Inga Yun, I'm an artist, freelance illustrator, and during my classes I constantly share the knowledge that I have about the Procreate and Watercolor. Especially I'm obsessed with magical things, cute stuff and some vintage illustrations. So during my today's classes we have pretty special topic, and today I decided to paint with you watercolor journaling in Procreate. So, and if you have some illustrations that you wanted to paint for a long time, the pictures that you took while your traveling journey, so my today's class is for you. I will show you a few techniques how to sketch in a fast and simple way, and also I will show you a few ways how to add watercolor paint to your art. Additionally, I prepared for you lots of stem brushes that will help you to ease your painting process like a lot. And I hope that today's class will be fun and useful. So what are the steps that we will follow during my class? First of all, I will show you where to find all my freebies, and I prepared for you a lot. Second, I will teach you how to create texture paper, how to reach this authentic watercolor texture in your digital art. And the step number 3 will be the sketches. I will show you the 4 ways how to create different types of sketches, and you can decide which one you like more. And our next step will be the most important, is painting process. I will also show you a few ways how to paint, starting from loose watercolor and finishing by well-detailed illustration. And then we're gonna add some text and stem brushes to add those realistic look to our watercolor journaling. My dear students, I tried my best to make my class engaging and relaxing at the same time. Completing the course will help you to learn more about the watercolor journaling in Procreate, and sometimes it can be so useful because we want to process our memories in a creative way. And this class is right what you need. Guys, I will be very happy to see all your art projects and give my feedback on them. And also tell me what you think about my class. Maybe you can suggest me what are the next topics you want to see at my channel. Guys, today I want to show you that watercolor is so simple and it's a lot of fun. And in the end of my class you can see it. Also, you can try yourself in totally new style. You can decide the type of sketches that you like. You can decide the type of watercolor art that suits you more. So today you can experiment a lot. So what I can teach you today? First of all, how to create texture paper, how to create artwork from the sketch, and how to create sketch. And also we will talk briefly what is composition, what is alpha log clipping mask, how to work with curves, hue saturation and brightness, and why do we need blending layer modes, why they are so important, and why they can change your illustration dramatically. Of course, I will tell you how to add shades and highlights and how to add some volume to your illustration. Guys, I will show you my whole process from the start till finish. And as a bonus, I will share with you my texture paper, custom brush set, color palette, sketches that I created, and also my illustrations that we paint all together during my class. This class is great for intermediate level, also can be useful for beginners, especially if you watched my previous classes. For everyone who is interested in painting in watercolor style and who likes journaling. I will use Procreate for this class with iPad and Apple Pencil, so if you have it, or maybe some other drawing pads or just regular paper and paints, please join my class and good luck. Guys, I can't wait to start this class, and definitely I can't wait to see what you upload to project section. Please feel free to enroll and let's enjoy our painting process together.